Hi guys, this is Miss Remy here and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be sharing with you an experiment that I did with beet juice on my hair. Crazy, huh? So as I was in the kitchen making some face mask, and the idea came to mind because the day before I boiled some beets, and as I was going to throw away the water, I said, that looks too pretty to just throw it away. It needs to be used for something. So I said, let me just use it on my hair and see how my hair reacts to beet juice. Use a measurement cup, just enough for my hair because my hair has been twisted for over a week. All I did was wash my hair, leave-in conditioner, moisturize it, and grease it, and it's been twisted for over a week. And throughout the week I also moisturize my hair because my hair loves water so much. Right now I'm going to pour some in the measurement cup to make it easy to pour into the bottle. Like I was saying, I poked some holes into the beet so I can make the juice a bit thicker. And the bottle I'm using in this video is my plant spray bottle. It's red and the water is red, so I didn't want to use my regular hairspray bottle because they're white. So here I was just explaining how I'm going to demonstrate spreading the beet water on my hair, and as you can see I did not undo the twist because it was just a quick wash, and if I had untwist my hair it would be tangled. So I just sprayed the beet water over my hair and left it like that. So like I said earlier, I washed my hair a week prior, so my hair is really not dirty. I just wanted to do the experiment with the beet water, so that's that. And throughout the week I always keep my hair moisturized. I moisturize my hair maybe every 2 days, so with water. And one thing that I realize also work for my hair, when I get in the shower I don't use a shower cap, and that's why I do not have a shower cap. And please do not judge me when you guys see those plastic bags on my head looking ghetto and crazy. My hair loves the steam, so it keeps it moisturized as well. Yeah, guys, I do not know what I was thinking for not spraying my hair first before I applied this mask on my face, because as you will see it got very messy. and I look crazy. I have no shame being on the internet looking that crazy. So yeah, please don't judge me. Yeah, I have no idea what I was talking about here. So here I'm showing my hair before I spray the beet water. Plus I didn't do anything to my hair when I washed it last week. I just kept it in the twist. and I mean I have my bonnet on all day long. So I think I was talking about the front of my hair, how the got to be gel just damaged the front of my hair. It didn't make the front of my hair bald or anything like that, but before, the front of my hair used to be the same length as all of my hair. So when I started using the got to be gel, it shortened the front of my hair. So I think this is what I was saying there. I never used to be big on laying edges. I guess this is what I am demonstrating. I was going on and on. Whoa, I can talk. But yeah, I think I will leave it here, you guys. I'll fast forward so you guys don't get tired of me speaking. And oh, just a quick story. The full locks that I did on the video before this one, as I was taking my hair out, I saw this big chunk of hair, and I was like, wait, I did not put black hair. I did not add any black hair into my hair. So where is this black hair it's coming from? And come to find out, I realized that I cut the back of my hair. I mean, some of it was a big chunk. I was like, this is crazy. So here I said, let's just stop talking and get to the video. Oh, also, if you want to do this, I think I advise you guys to try it so I can know if it's only me that this beet juice, yo, it did wonder to my hair. Wear a black shirt or a t-shirt that you don't care for, because it will get messy and mess up your clothes. As you will see that I went back to get a white tee. It wasn't bad anyway. So after I was done, I just threw that thing in the garbage because it was a mess. Yeah, so continue to watch. Guys, you see how crazy I look? I look ridiculous. And I really wanted that mascara on my face for more than 15 minutes. After 5 or 8 minutes, I ended up washing it off because it was too messy. Here I am massaging the beet water into my scalp so it could get the most important part. It's your root. And here what beet is good for. I ended up leaving the beet juice in my hair for maybe 2 hours, I would say, because I was doing things around the house. I was cooking. So, but it's up to you for how long you want to leave. Guys, let me tell you, this is after I washed my hair. I had no product in my hair. Right there, my hair has no product, and my hair was so soft. It felt so soft, so light. Oh, I loved it. And wow, you guys have to try it. And I still have some here, and I'm going to try again next week to see if it was the product that was in my hair prior to washing it, or if it was the beet juice that made my hair felt that soft. Yo, I can't stress how how soft my hair felt, and it was light, it was manageable, it was, oh, I loved it. So I'm also going to insert some picture after I put some product in my hair. To be honest, I loved it before the product, because as you will see the pictures, after I put leave-in conditioner, oil, because wow, I really, please do try it and let me know. And that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do try it and let me know how your hair reacts to it. I would like to know in the comment section below. So have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day and a weekend. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.